Working at a National Park Service historic site requires top-level skills and an ability to deliver perfect results. The Hampton Mansion project called for a full replacement of the Cupola's rustic wood base, restoration of windows in gold leaf on the top finial, as well as repair and select replacement of cornice, column, and entablature elements. Worcester Eisenbrandt fabricated a matching wood base, circular column bases, and wood trim. They stripped and repainted the finial, then applied new gold leaf. In total, Craftsman fabricated 23 distinct architectural elements, including pilaster, frieze, and water table crowns. Successful installation of all these elements required craftsmen to complete precise layout, measurements and cuts, match the contours and grain directions of existing elements, and execute careful rigging and crane operations around a sensitive, historic structure.